Hi, I'm Paul Skeldon, Editor-in-Chief at Telemedia, and I'm here with Roberto Saporito from NextGen Payment.
Correct.
Roberto, thank you very much for joining us. We're here at the Telemedia Barcelona event in sunny Barcelona. So tell us a bit, first of all, Roberto, about what NextGen Payment does. Obviously, something to do with payments, I'm guessing.
So yeah, NextGen Payment, like the name mentioned it, we are active in the payment, in the processing, We are acting as an ISO, independent sales organization. So that means NextGen Payment is between the market, the merchant, and the bank, the acquirer. So we are, let's say, the middleman, and we do a lot about payment, about processing, about banking. We have crypto solution. We have the gateway as well. We offer a lot of payment solution to the merchant. Not only the DCB merchant, but merchant active in different verticals like cryptocurrency, gaming, gambling, adults, dating, webcams, nutraceutical, digital goods, physical goods, mostly subscription. So all about e-commerce. We consider e-commerce with medium high risk, and we offer to them the acquiring mainly. Acquiring, that means the processing of Visa, MasterCard, the credit card. We offer as well the Apple Pay, Google Pay solution. We offer to them as well the APM, the alternative payment method, depending of the country, the geography. So we try to cover the end-to-end payment chain. Yeah.
And where does that fit in with specifically the kind of mobile value-added services market? So I guess things like gaming, some sort of subscription content, those kind of things, the kind of things we find here at Telemedia. Are you finding those companies want every kind of billing mechanism now, or is it still very focused on carrier billing, or how does that look?
For us, Telemedia, it's really strategic, and we consider Telemedia as a niche market. A niche market because today we are talking here in Telemedia, Marbella, Barcelona, Dubai, but Telemedia as a whole, as a conference. We talk mainly about MVAS, mobile billing, DCB, direct carrier billing, and those people, this industry, today, they want to migrate, they want to move to credit card billing. So we see and we feel there is a need, there is a real need to move the MVAS, the mobile billing, to the credit card billing.
All right. Is that sort of globally, like in every region, or is it in specific regions it's moving faster?
It's global.
Okay.
It's global. Today we have merchant processing in the US, in LATAM, in Africa as well, in Australia, of course, in EU. So we can say the coverage is global. Yeah.
Okay. Why are they moving towards that credit card and away from carrier billing, do you think?
Well, they see some advantages. Today the penetration on credit card billing is really strong, mainly with Visa and MasterCard. The approval ratio is good. The people from DCB mobile billing, they can get their money faster because in credit card billing the merchant has been paid on a weekly basis, and some of them, they told me, yes, today we are paid on a monthly, on a every 6 months, so it takes time to receive the money. So from a cash flow point of view, it's more interesting for them, for an approval ratio as well. In terms of fraud and compliance as well, they prefer to work with partners like us. They have knowledge, and we can bring value. We can help them to manage the fraud and the chargeback ratio. Because when you are moving to credit card billing, you are moving to a mostly subscription-based model, and you have to be ready for that.
Okay. Does part of that sort of interest in credit card also extend to cards that are in wallets, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay? Is that also contributing to that?
Yeah. Today, most of them, because mobile billing, DCB, it's a fintech. It's really a fintech business, and of course, credit card, Visa, MasterCard is good for them, but what they love and what they need is Apple Pay, Google Pay. Of course, beyond Apple Pay and Google Pay, it's Visa, MasterCard, but the way of paying, it's more faster. It's user friendly because in 2 clicks, you are there.
Absolutely.
You are there. So of course, Apple Pay, Google Pay, it's a technology they are looking for, 100%. But what they are looking developing as well is the alternative payment method, the APM. So that means today, depending of the geography, but when the merchant they want to discover, for example, Germany, they need some sort of Klarna. If they go to the Netherlands, they need Ideal. If they go to Latam, for example, to Brazil or to Mexico, they need the Pix, the Boleto. I mean, the local domestic payment method.
So you have to help them bring all that together in all the different regions.
We try.
Well, yes, that's what you're here for. What about, you mentioned earlier on cryptocurrency. Are we starting to see any movement in companies in this space looking at taking crypto payments?
Yeah, today we can consider crypto as an APM, an alternative payment method. Because today, mainly in the medium high-risk industry, people they use credit card, Visa, Mastercard, but some of them they have a wallet, they have the crypto, and we have solution as well for the crypto pay in, pay out, invoicing, fiat to crypto, crypto to fiat for the conversion, So we receive a lot of more and more requests about that because some people they want to be paid in crypto, for example, in order to respond to the needs, you need to have this solution in place. And this is something, we have, it's something we can offer, and this is something it's growing as well. Yeah.
Okay. Do you think sort of any one of these payment mechanisms is going to become dominant, or are we in a world now where you have to offer all of them because people mix and match how they pay?
Payment industry, it's evolving. It's evolving fast as well, and you have to adapt. And of course, historically speaking, there is brand like Visa, Mastercard. A good presence, and this is the leader. Of course, they are leader. But today, what we have seen is that more and more alternative payment methods they are coming. The crypto solution is getting some market share as well, and I think it's those payment methods they are gaining some market share. But of course, Visa, Mastercard, credit card they are keeping the biggest part of the market. Yeah.
Okay. And what do you sort of see happening in payments in the next few years? Are we just going to see this continued evolution, or
it's a good question. Today I can tell you that it's more and more strict, because we have payment scheme, the payment scheme. It's about Visa and Mastercard. Recently, Visa has introduced a new program called the VAMP, the Visa Acquiring Monitoring Program. And they pay a lot of attention to the fraud ratio. And in the mostly subscription industry, we see that in this industry typically there is much fraud than another industry, like for example the trade sales. So mostly subscription, it's more and more strict, more and more tricky. This is why you have to manage it really properly and carefully. This is why NextGen offers as well solution for the fraud, for the chargeback, in order to maintain a good level.
So lastly, sort of, how have you found the event? Like seeing as we're sort of, all the people that probably do business with you are all here. How's it been for you so far?
We are talking about a human size conference, and I like it. I like to meet the people face to face, because at the end of the day, it's about trust and relationship, And this kind of size of conference is good. You have time to meet all of them, and it's super well organized, and quality of people is good. For example, yesterday I was to the director lunch, it's really a director lunch on 6 or level, So it was 35 people there, but quality is really, really good.
Excellent. Well, brilliant. Well, thank you very much for coming and for supporting us. Lovely to talk to you. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and taking the time. And we'll see you again soon. And thank you everybody for watching. And goodbye.
Thank you.